Hello, my name is Kinslea Robinson, and for my carbon footprint project, I decided to make my family and I give up using paper towels for 2 weeks in order to see how much it can lessen our carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is the term used to describe the estimated amount of greenhouse gases that are emitted by an individual or population. On average, my household would use about one roll of paper towels per week, which can add up very quickly in the long run. I estimated that our current usage of paper towels is causing me to contribute about 1.01 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year out of my approximated carbon footprint of 7.487 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year. This I had calculated using the Cool Climate Carbon Footprint Calculator. In order to live more sustainably, we as humans are to live in a way that meets our needs but does not negatively affect future generations. With this project, we were supporting the sustainability principle of having responsibility to future generations because I was actively trying to find a solution to lessen my carbon footprint. Before my experiment, I needed a control. This is represented by my house using paper towels as we normally would for 2 weeks. In the image, you can see the roll of paper towels that was currently in use. We went through 2 rolls during those 2 weeks. For the actual experiment, my family and I had used the hand towels seen in the image in place of the paper towels. We washed them all together at the end of the week on Sunday as we normally would. We did not buy any new hand towels. Here you can also see that our paper towel holder was empty to signify the use of hand towels. Overall, I learned that the production of each paper towel roll emits about 0.06 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year. When I multiplied that number by how many paper towel rolls we used during that 2 weeks, I would get about 0.12 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year. And when I divided that number by my entire carbon footprint, which was about 7.487 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year, I would see about 1.6% of a decrease of my carbon footprint per year if I continued to use the hand towels as we have been. As a whole, I feel not having to buy paper towels consistently has the potential to save me a lot of money in the long run. Therefore, I have talked with my family and we all agree that using hand towels is something that we would like to stick with as it helps the environment and is cost friendly. We do not have to do any more laundry than we already do, so that couldn't be an excuse that we could make. Overall, the experiment was helpful in showing that we could live a lot more sustainably if we tried. The specific learning outcome that this project has helped me achieve is to define the concept of sustainability and how it can be used to advance the human condition. I feel I have achieved this as I am now much more aware of what I can be doing in order to help the environment and lessen my carbon footprint, as well as what plays a part in how my carbon footprint is calculated. Specifically, I am now much more aware of how my household's unruly usage of paper towels was contributing a large amount of greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere. And in order to resolve that issue, we plan to be a lot more sustainable and use reusable hand towels instead of paper towels. Thank you.